In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple messages in Telegram. We'll be working in Telegram Desktop, which means this applies to macOS, Windows, and Linux. By the end, you'll know exactly how to gather several messages at once so you can work with them more efficiently. Whether you are reviewing a conversation or simply organizing your chat history, first, open the chat where you want to make selections. This can be any conversation, a one-on-one chat, a group, or a channel. Give the chat a moment to load so everything is visible and ready to interact with. Next, move your cursor to the first message you'd like to include. Right? Click on that message and choose Select Message. If you are on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same as a right click. If you don't see a right-click option or prefer a different route, click the three dots menu and choose Select. Either option takes you into selection mode, which is the key to picking multiple messages. Once selection mode is active, start adding more messages. Simply click on any other messages you want to include. As you click, each one will become highlighted, making it clear what's currently selected. Take your time and scroll through the conversation as needed. You can click messages that are near each other or far apart. And you'll see your selection build as you go. If you want to select a continuous block of messages quickly, use the bulk select method. First, click the starting message you want in the range. Then hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click the ending message. Telegram will automatically select everything between the first and last messages you chose. This works the same way across macOS, Windows, and Linux, and it's especially helpful when you are dealing with long stretches of conversation. Remember, the order doesn't matter, just choose your first message, hold Shift, and click the second one to capture the entire span in between. You can mix both methods as you work. For example, select a large block with Shift. Then click individual messages elsewhere to add more. This gives you precise control, whether you are selecting just a few notes or a long timeline of chat activity. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.